cat murder dog in prison. Generally, there is no such law for animals like humans. Let us see, is it a true incident or a fictitious story? In 1924, there was a news Pep, the Black Labrador dog, who was sentenced to life in prison for killing Pennsylvania's governor's beloved cat. In this picture, dog was showed as a innocent murderer. An identification number is hanging around his neck, looking guilty. According to newspaper stories at the time, Pep the Black Labrador attacked and killed a cat belonging to the wife of Pennsylvania's governor. For his crime, Pep was sent down for life in prison without any chance of parole. So, is it a true story or a framed one? Daniel Miller in 2013 continued that the dog was framed. Pep was actually entirely innocent. The account of him killing the cat was entirely fictitious, made by a newspaper reporter taking a touch more than his fair journalistic license. The editor loved the story. In reality, Pep was sent to penitentiary as a pet for the prisoners after developed a habit of chewing the governor's